Talk 27, Tools to Grip. Today's talk is about a tool we use constantly, yet often mistreat. This tool is the best in its class. It's priceless. If we lose it, we cannot replace it. This tool is part of every worker's personal equipment, the hand. We know many tools, but none compares to the palm and its 5 fingers. First and foremost, it is a gripping tool. With it, humans have achieved wonders. How to use it correctly? The secret is in the way you grip. When the hand is used properly, grip is firm and secure. It holds objects safely and strongly. If a person lets things slip, they put themselves and others at risk. Our work assumes the worker will hold tools properly, without dropping them. Example of misuse. A worker tried opening a can with a large hammer. His left hand slipped onto the top of the can. The hammer hit his 3rd finger, fracture for weeks off work. Imagine handling a hammer like that. Saying, "My hand slipped," is unacceptable. The hand is part of your body, it must not slip. Remember, hands are for holding. A secure worker never lets them slip. A hammer in weak hands is very dangerous. Others around you may also be at risk. If you can't grip properly, something is wrong. Final reminders. Every time your hand touches a tool, think, "My hands are for gripping." Few gifts are more valuable than the ability to hold and secure objects. Always ensure your hands do what they must. For your safety. For the safety of others. Hands are valuable. Take care of them.